This video explains how to use cost centers in Crave Invoice software. In Accounting menu, you must enable the cost center option from the account settings form. Once this option is enabled, you will see a cost centers form in the accounting menu. On this form, we have to define categories and cost centers. The name of cost center and categories can be changed based on the company's policies and responsibilities. For demo purpose, we have added some categories such as sales, purchase, marketing, legal. There could be more like logistics. You can split purchase into procurement and logistics, but it depends on your company's policies. You can add human resource, you can add engineering, you can add quality assurance. There could be more of them, but whether to add it in category or cost center, it depends on your company's responsibilities. So under cost centers, we will add some sample entries. We can add research and development as a separate category, or we can add it as a cost center. So for this, we will add it under sales. We can add it under marketing. It depends totally on how you work. As you know, all of these are indirect costs. So how to group the indirect cost depends totally on how your company works. Once you define all of your cost centers as per the departments, you will get the option to select the cost center on all of your journals in accounting menu. We will record a bank journal and mention the cost center. Here we are making a payment to a supplier for the marketing purpose. We have selected the supplier and here we can select the cost center. If you have already prepared a purchase journal for this supplier, you can select it from the list. Otherwise, if it is an advance payment, you can record it directly. Once this record is saved, the bank journal is linked to that cost center. In report section, you can check the reports for that particular cost center. We will create one more bank journal for another cost center. We will record one expense for advertising and select cost center as TV ads. Here we can select the party name. Here we are not making any supplier selection. If you want to link the advertising expense to a vendor, then you have to click select supply button. Here I am directly recording it as an advertising expense. So far we have created two bank journals and attached it to different cost centers. Now we will go to the report section and we can check the reports. As you can see, there are two reports for the cost center. One is a category based report and one is the summary report. As we can see, two cost centers are visible here with the debit amount. Similarly, we can see the category summary report. Here we can see the total of all the expenses done for that particular category. You can also export these reports to different formats. Similarly, you can select the cost center name from cash journal and all other journals, including a purchase journal. Here, on the purchase journal also, you can directly record it. The linking between cost center and accounting journals is very simple in Crave Invoice software. So if you understand the flow, we have to first define the cost centers, very much similar to the way we define ledger accounts. Once your cost centers are properly defined, you can select them on all of your journals, including bank, cash, adjustment and purchase journal, and those journals will be used to display reports for the cost center. It will be very easy for you if you define department-wise cost centers and group them accordingly. Then you can check indirect cost incurring in your business in different departments and keep a control on all those costs. This is how cost centers can be used in Crave Invoice software. To learn more about Crave Invoice, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more videos.